When you think of powerful muscle cars, the 1970 Dodge Challenger may come to mind. However, what if we told you that one such Challenger, known as Havoc, is packing over 2,500 horsepower, more than twice that of the already formidable Dodge Demon 170? This isn't your average muscle car restoration. It's an absolute beast, capable of rivaling some of the most extreme electric hypercars and wild drag cars that are making headlines today. Built by Rides by Cam, a performance shop in Queensland, Australia, Havoc has been meticulously crafted over the course of 3 years, with the shop pouring over 10,000 hours of work into the transformation. The result is a one-of-a-kind machine that combines the vintage muscle car look of the 1970 Dodge Challenger with the heart of a drag racing monster. The car is capable of producing a staggering 2,500 horsepower when running on 101 octane fuel, putting it in a league of its own. At the core of Havoc is a custom-built 572 cubic inch, 9.37-liter V8 engine designed by Stanton Racing Engines. This engine isn't just big. It's meticulously engineered with a forged crank, Mopar parts, 2,200 cubic centimeters injectors, and topped off with an F3 supercharger from ProCharger. The sheer scale and power of this engine are mind-boggling, but the real magic lies in the customization and precision that went into crafting this motor to handle insane levels of performance. While Havoc originally cranked out 2,500 horsepower when tuned for 101 octane fuel, it has since been detuned to run on 91 octane fuel for road use, bringing the power down to a still absurd 1,200 horsepower. This means that not only does this car make power like no other, but is also built to be driven, capable of delivering massive amounts of horsepower while still being street legal. To manage all that power, the engine is paired with a Tremec Magnum T56 6-speed manual transmission and a 9-inch Roadster shop differential, ensuring that all that torque is properly transferred to the rear wheels. Speaking of those rear wheels, the Challenger rides on a set of massive Mickey Thompson tires, giving it the grip needed to handle such immense power. When you see those tires spinning, you'll know this isn't your regular road-going muscle car. Whether on the drag strip or cruising down the street, this Challenger is built to show off its incredible strength. But Havoc isn't just about the engine. No detail has been spared when it comes to the aesthetics and craftsmanship of this car. Mecum Auctions, who will be selling the car, has highlighted the car's stunning exterior, which has been resprayed in PPG Charlie Hutton paint, giving it an eye-catching finish that matches its incredible power. Inside, the interior has been upgraded with brown diamond-stitched leather seats from a Holden Commodore, providing comfort and luxury to match the performance. The dashboard is a custom masterpiece, fitted with Dakota digital gauges and new air vents, while an iPad serves as the central display for all your tech needs. The car's craftsmanship and performance are as extraordinary as the story behind it. From the one-of-a-kind bespoke features to the wild horsepower, this Dodge Challenger is a true automotive marvel. And if you think you can handle all of its raw power, you'll have a chance to own it soon. Havoc will be heading to the auction block on March 22nd at Mecum Auctions, and it's expected to fetch a price that matches its insane performance. So if you're ready to add a 2,500 horsepower monster to your collection, check out the listing for this one-of-a-kind 1970 Dodge Challenger Havoc and prepare to open your wallet for an automotive experience like no other. This isn't just a car, it's a living legend in the making.